Okay, just doing a air compressor comparison between my dodgy 35 litre per minute line air compressor and this one I just got off eBay, which claims to be 85 litres per minute, if that will focus. The way I'm going to test them is I've got a plastic bag zip tied to the end of the line on both of them. The plastic bag is 40 litres, both connected to the same battery. Battery is completely charged, and yeah, I'll just time them. So the 85 litre per minute pump is definitely quicker, but there's no way on earth that it's over twice the speed. So just a few things to note about this compressor. Yeah, it looks pretty good, and I don't doubt the fact that it's got twin pistons, but I'm betting they're very small. These finned areas, they're actually plastic, so they do nothing other than probably hide what's underneath. So yeah, I reckon all this is one big motor and two of those very small compressors attached to the central shaft. Nothing special about it. No way it does 85 litres per minute. Definitely wouldn't recommend buying it. This thing on the other hand, the Lion one that I've got, it probably does its actual rated 35 litres per minute. It's not very impressive, but it actually is able to do it. But it does have its own problems. One thing it doesn't have is an overload switch like the cheap 85 litre per minute one does. No, what the Lion one actually does is when it gets hot, it seizes and blows a fuse in the car every time. It's done it about 3 times now. So yeah, it is probably good for bicycles and maybe small car tyres, but you can't rely on it.